Hey y'all, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and if you're new, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to be doing a no retwist cornrow lock style on my locks, so make sure you stay tuned for that. I'm going to be using my Royal Crown Hair Growth Oil Hydration Mist, some jam, Royal Crown Hair Growth Oil, and some rubber bands. So what I'm going to start off by doing first is hydrating my locks with my hydration mist. If you would like to purchase any of my products, you can go to my website, JLashaeCreationscrochet.com. All the information will be in the bio. Now I'm going to be going through and sort of parting my locks. Not really parting, just separating them. The ones that I'm going to be braiding. And I'm going to be putting some of my hair growth oil throughout my hair. Make sure you distribute that through your scalp and down the shaft of your locks as well. And I'm basically going to just be retwisting a little the first 3 locks. That's going to start my braid, so that's the only retwist really that I'm going to be doing. Not really, but you know, just to make my edges look sleek. Now I'm going to start to braid my locks, as you see. And as you braid, you're just going to pick up a lock on each side and keep on braiding to the back. And you can actually tuck in some new growth that you have in the locks that you didn't retwist. You could tuck the new growth in the braid and you can make it look as neat as possible, which is what I was doing here. Anytime you're putting rubber bands in your hair, you always want to oil the rubber band so it won't break your hair off. So that's what I'm doing. And yes, my oil is great for that too. And you're going to repeat that process on the other side as well. You're going to do it on every braid that you do. I'm only going to be doing 4 braids, so yeah. And y'all, I love this little quick easy style. Like, I really did not feel like doing nothing to my head. So I said I was going to just throw these braids in there until it's time for me to do a shampoo. I may do a deep condition. Who knows? But yeah, I just needed something done. Because when my hair not done, I be feeling depressed. Here we are, 3rd braid. We got 1 more to go. After this, your girl have survived. You see them guns? Yeah, because this hair ain't no joke. You'll have to use some muscle. And yes, your girl is back. I'm done. Let me swoop up these edges. And I'll be finished. So y'all, this is the almost ending look as soon as I get these edges together. And we'll be finished. I'm gonna spray my hair one more time just to make sure it's really hydrated. And I'm gonna go in with some oil down my parts and through my braids as well, just to make sure it's real moisturized in there. And y'all, I really dance to the beat of my own drum, like in real life. You would think I had music playing, but I don't. To the beat of my own drum. Thank y'all for watching my video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and share. And make sure you tune in for more.